To set up a bank account with Zelle, you will need to start by checking if your bank or credit union is a participating member of the Zelle network. You can do this by visiting the Zelle website and using their lookup tool to search for your bank. If your bank is a participating member, you can proceed to the next step. The next step is to enroll in Zelle through your bank's mobile banking app or website. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and mobile phone number. You will also need to create a password and accept the terms of service. Once you have enrolled in Zelle, you will need to add your bank account to the service. You can do this by selecting the account you want to use with Zelle and verifying the account information. You may need to enter a verification code sent to you by your bank to complete the process. After you have added your bank account, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money. To send money, simply select the recipient's email address or mobile phone number, enter the amount you want to send, and add a memo if desired. You can also request money from someone using Zelle by sending them a request. It is essential to note that Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service, and as such, it is not suitable for business transactions. Additionally, Zelle transactions are typically processed in real time, so it is crucial to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account before initiating a transaction. To get the most out of Zelle, it is recommended that you use the service through your bank's mobile banking app or website. This will provide you with an additional layer of security and protection. You should also be cautious when using Zelle to send money to people you do not know, as transactions are typically irreversible. In conclusion, setting up a bank account with Zelle is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely use Zelle to send and receive money.